everybody, so this is Mercedesbenzdoc, and I have here a 2005 SL55 with a 113K motor, of course, and we will be installing the VRP HD tensioner. This is a 20-pound one. So I will do a step-by-step video on how to install it, and yeah, let's get started. One, it comes with this bolt. You're not going to be able to pull it out, as you can see. It's just in there. So you're going to have to just put it on somewhere. You can put it on 2 blocks of wood, or you can put it on, I have this vice grip right here, so I'm going to just put it on here. And it just comes out just like that. See? This part right here, I'm going to remove the belt, and it just makes it a lot easier to work, just to get in there. And I always use a lot of light. I like to see. So I'm going to use this light. This is for I use this on my head. So you can buy this anywhere on Amazon, right? And you just turn it on and you can just put it wherever you want. And then this one is just for more lighting if I need to. But we're going to use a 17 deep socket, and we're going to go ahead and take off the belt, which it's down here. It's down there. See that right there? I'm going to go ahead and put it in. So it's down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see. So it's down there. And then all you do is just go ahead and just push the tensioner back. And then you can just kind of move the belt out of its position. Just remember how the belt goes. If you want, you can write it down on a piece of paper or draw it out before taking it out. But all you just want to do is just loosen that up so you can just take it out just a little bit. You don't got to take the whole belt out. It's just to move it out the way, because we're going to have to tap where the water pump is at. I'll show you right now. The customer, he had already the stock belt tensioner on here for the supercharger, but the bearing, it just gave out. So we're going to remove his old belt tensioner from DTK. RIP to DTK. But we're going to take it out. See, we're going to take out the belt. We're just going to move it out the way. There we go. We will be removing his DTK belt wrap kit because the 20-pound is going to be real nice and snug. So we're going to head and go remove it. So then once we have everything out, we can kind of see what's in here, what's kind of going on. So see, this one is part of the water pump. So this one's going to need to get tapped in. I'll show you right now what you're going to need. So this is the size you'll need. I'll zoom it in for you guys. $8mm by 1.25. Okay. So this is what you're going to need to tap in there. And I'm going to just show you, I have already my old water pump, which is here. So this is how it's going to look. So you're going to have, looking at the water pump, you're going to have to tap this hole right here. See, you can already see that I already practiced, because I didn't want to mess up or anything, you know, but it's just like that. So you're going to have to do the same thing on your water pump, okay? So you have an idea, it's this one right here, so you can get a better view of where it's at. Okay. So we're just gonna go. I like to spray a little DW40 on the tip. Just on the tip, I like to spray a little DW40 on there. So we're gonna go in here. Here's some more light. just like that. So we'll make sure if everything's nice and smooth, if the bolt just goes right in. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So we'll try to fit it up in there, but see, this will be in your way. This right here, this will be in your way. So we would have to cut this off just a bit. You will need a Dremel, and I would recommend as well taking this piece off. There we go. There we go. Just taking that off. We'll just cover it up. With a little cutting disc. I taped everything up in here. As you can see, I just masked everything up. I masked just in case anything happens. So I'm gonna just cut it off with a Dremel. Also got my safety glasses because I already got something in my eye before. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my safety glasses on, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I should be wearing some gloves, but it's just a Dremel. Ready? I'll just turn it up just a little bit more. I'm gonna just cut off the nipple. Oh, you saw that? Good thing I had that protector on there. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and file it down on there, and then I'm gonna grab my vacuum and just vacuum all that up in there. Okay, so I ended up cleaning everything up right there, and I did have to cut a lot more than what I originally cut. So you can get a better idea. That's how much I had to cut off. It's not perfectly straight, but it's enough. It clears now. So I did put those plugs on. As you can see, I put those 3 plugs. See, those 3 plugs. Those are OEM plugs that go on the supercharger, on the side of the supercharger. So I have some new ones. I put them on there. And then for this right here, there's 3 bolts. 2 of them are long, and then one is short. So this goes like this, just like that. It goes installed there. The long ones go on each corner, okay, and then the short one goes in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. As you can see, I had to put his additional pulley from the DTK kit on there, just because he doesn't have the correct belt size at the moment. So yeah, and then as you can see why I put the plug. See that there was no way this was gonna be able to go from here to here. So he is gonna buy those, I think they're called SAI VRP little plates. So he's gonna remove both of these, and then I'm also gonna coat out the secondary air pump. So I'm also gonna take out the air pump out of it. So as you can see right here, there's different positions where you can put it at. I put this one on the second position, as you can see. So it's just gonna go like this, and then you can have it set to where this would be like this or like this. So mine's currently set for that position. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there. Okay. So then basically that's it. You just tighten this up, you put your belt on, and you should be good to go. I'll go ahead and install all the belts right now and show you the final product. This is the finished product of how it will look. This is